Hi-de-ho, welcome to my channel, Your Finger My Ring. I turn coins into rings, and today I'm going to do a 50p. I've done one of these in the past, 1973, European Union game. Right, first of all, let's punch a hole in it. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers. Thanks for liking. Right, let's go to Big Bertha and see what she's got for us. Right. This is a 20 ton hydraulic press. It's gone through nicely. How's everybody doing? Good. Okay, let's slap it on the bottom. If you're new to the channel, there's a little red button bottom right hand corner of the video. If you hit that, you're automatically subscribed. Right. If you're looking for a custom ring, make them to measure. All I need is your ring size. Right, that's punched through. Now I just want to clean up that inside edge. Make sure that there's no cracks forming or splits. This is a deburring tool called Christy Burr. These names are getting crazy. So my subscribers are naming my tools. I named some of them, but it seems to have taken off, which is nice, you know. You can check out my shop, yourfingermyring.com. There's a load of rings in there. They're all in EU size, but I can adjust them slightly up or down depending on what you want. I've got a load of Finnish coins, UK coins, American quarters, and you can also send me your own coins. Right, let's break out. There he is. Fire starter, and my latest named tool is Jaws. Picked by Steve. Thanks, Steve. So bloody many names now. It's unbelievable. These make great gifts. They're pretty unique. All you've got to do is get your ring size, and you can do that by going to a jeweller's. You get the bits of string and bits of tape. Some of these people say you can use. Looks like the Northern Lights changing. Good thing living in Finland, you see that quite a lot. Not necessarily in Helsinki, but you go to Lapland in the sort of October. You see it mostly in the winter, but it sometimes shows up here. It showed up in England a few times, the Daily Mail a few weeks ago. Right, we now want to fold it, and we're going to have this as the sunny side up on the ring. Too small. Okay, I can start off with this one. We'll go over to Big Red. There's a 1 ton arbor press. Here he is. Right, I'll try this one now. Yeah. I just want to make sure it's nice and level still. Okay, that's fully folded. I'll just break out Sandy, clean up the edge a bit more. You just want to make sure there's no splits forming or cracks. Well, otherwise your ring is going to split. A little bit more. It's not a crack, but it's a bit thin now. Just very fine sandpaper. That's better. So let's get out Bernie the fire starter again and heat this coil up again. That should do. Right, let's dry it off and take it over to our best friend, the ring stretcher. I love this tool. It's my favourite out of them all. How are we doing? Yep. It's looking good so far. Give it a bit of a turn each time. That way you get the equal amount of stretch all around your ring. Come on, stop it. I'm sorry, but I find shit funny, man, you know. Right. That's looking quite good. Now I want to heat it up with Bernie again. Now we just want to straighten up them walls. Because as you work the coin, it really harder, so you have to do this 2 or 3 times, you know. Small coins twice, some of the big thicker ones you've got to do 2 or 3 times, sometimes even 4. If you're watching this, how about hitting the like button for me? I could do with some love. It helps my channel. Costs you nothing. Okay. It's nicely quenched. Right, what we're going to do now, I think I can get a bit on this. This is the 17-degree dial I use to fold the coin. It's got a bit left in it, so that is a tough puppy. Let's try this one. These are also reduction dies. Try that. This is what reduces your ring, makes it smaller. So I'm just looking to straighten the walls up a bit. What's the other side like? Some 50p's are really hard, others are a lot softer. I don't know why. Maybe because I didn't eat my Weetabix this morning. God. I'll get in there. Bit of white background. Still slightly got a bit of a cone shape to it. That's better. See the wall? Dead straight. Right, let's clean it up. Get Kate on the subject. Oh dear. Not much to say about her, is there really? Very sad. Kate. I think this is your last ring, Kate. Okay, let's get some polish on this baby. Right, wait. Okay, let's start with this cloth. Yeah, so if you're looking for a nice ring, you can send me your own coins or whatever. They make great Christmas gifts. Also making some necklaces out of coins. I think there's a couple in my web shop. I'll have to make some more on here. Load a couple more videos on YouTube for you. Right, let's break out Felton John. I'll polish some of these up now because a few people asked would they look like polished, so there you go. Getting a bit warm. Okay. That's kind of nice. I got these crown rings. There you go. One shiny 50p. My girlfriend cleans these up even more because my hands are still covered in oil and God knows what. Still got the detail on the inside. That's why you use a kitchen roll. Elizabeth. There you go. One 50p coin ring. It doesn't need, there's no lip in there as such on this one. This is a size 65. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great evening and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.